Warning. The stunts in this movie. Hey, shut the fuck up!
This is one DJ you don't wanna fuck with.
Raxz Tunez.
Wait a minute, get it how you live it. 10 toes in when we standing on business. I'm a big stepper, underground methods. Notch hoes, get the most, nothing less. Straight terror, harder than your errors. She got your baby, got that father you can measure. Trendsetter, the one who get the weather. Swerving while I'm bumping by the cutter. Yeah, rolling through the city with the big dogs. Book the laws, loyal with me, we ain't got a cow. Telling on silent with the product, then the pill loud. That's how you make the money pop for everyone involved. And if you don't deserve a cut, then we will cut them out. My barber got me looking proper every single time. Fresh pay, getting paid on that top grade. No, you ain't walking out of line, smoking what we on. And you know I got it, boy, for the ones who gone. R.I.P.'s in your memory, we carry on. When I die, they will not bury me, not what I want. Burn my body, put my ashes in the river, y'all. That's how we know ain't that the flow, but to carry on. See, immortality's a fallacy, I prove 'em wrong. This other family gon' carry me the way beyond. Anything you've ever known, anything you've done. They ask me how you get like this, how you live like this. Why you worry about it? Get up on my dick, get up out the way. What you think this is? And we ain't worried about it. Why she scared of it? They ask me how you get like this, how you live like this. Why you worry about it? Get up on my dick, get up out the way. What you think this is? And we ain't worried about you. Why you scared of whip? Right, yeah, swerving. Moving to the money like it's